labor turnover in a factory or production unit, it is very common that some old workers leaves the job and new workers are appointed. Leaving of old worker is known as labor turnover. Measurement of labor turnover. Labor turnover can be measurement by three methods. First is separation method. The ratio of the number of workers leaving the production job in the factory during the certain period is to average number of workers employed during the period is known as the rate of labor turnover found by the separation method. It is calculated by the formula. Formula is number of workers leaving the production job during the period. During the certain period upon average number of workers in production job during the period. Employed on the job during the period. Okay, this is a ratio of living workers and total or average workers in the job during the period. If the number of workers employed, if the number obtained by this formula is multiplied by 100, the labor turnover rate is obtained percent form. Okay. This is separation method of measurement of labor turnover. Now the second method is replacement method. Under this method, net actual labor turnover rate is calculated using the following formula, and the formula is number of workers replaced during a period. Upon average number of worker in production job during the period. This replacement rate is also known as net labor turnover rate. Net labor turnover rate. Okay, we have discussed about two methods, separation method and replacement method for measurement of labor turnover. There is a third method also, which is flux method. If the labor flux rate is to be known, it is calculated taking into consideration both the number of workers leaving and the number of workers employed replaced, and the formula is number of worker leaving the job during a period plus number of worker replaced during the same period. Upon average number of workers engaged in the production job during the period. Multiply by 100. This is a formula of flux method. We have discussed the three methods for measurement of labor turnover. First method, separation method, and the formula of separation method is number of workers leaving the production job during the period upon average number of workers employed on the job during the period. Okay, this is the separation method's formula, and the second method we discussed is replacement method. It is also called net labor turnover rate. Okay, and the formula is the number of workers replaced during a period upon average number of workers in the production job during the period. And the third formula, which is the mix of separation method and replacement method, and the formula for flux method is the number of workers leaving the job during the period plus number of workers replaced during the same period upon average number of workers engaged in the production. Average number of workers engaged in the production job during the period into 100. Okay. In the next lecture, we will solve a practical problem or practical question. Okay. Thank you.